Hi friends, welcome back to Alaskan Homemaker. I'm Mary. Today I'm going to show you my mother-in-law's salsa recipe. It's really delicious. She made the best salsa. Okay, so we're going to get started. Okay, I've got a little piece of my homegrown garlic here, so it's very thin, just a little piece, probably like about 1 garlic clove's worth. And we're going to get that into the blender. You can make a chunky salsa by just dicing everything up, all the ingredients here, and pouring the lemon juice in and stuff, or lime juice and things. But we found it's faster to get everything into our Vitamix and then just kind of use this knob to blitz it a couple times. And then it makes it like restaurant style salsa kind of. Okay, so here's our... Okay, we'll start with the onion first. You just need a little bit. Probably, I'm making like a big batch of salsa. Mostly we make about half of this pitcher's worth of salsa, but today I'm going to double the recipe because I want to make a lot so it'll last for a while. We love salsa. So I'm going to put probably about 1/3 cup of onion in there, and I'm just going to give it a rough chop because it's going to be blitzed in the blender. And then I've got 5 of these vine ripened tomatoes. So I'm going to get 5 of those in to our blender. I'm just cutting that little stem part out. Everything, I've already washed everything. I'm just cutting it in half and then taking out that little stem part. Okay, and this is a half of a bunch of organic cilantro. And I've washed it, and I'm just going to chop the very, very end off of it. And the rest of this, I'm just going to put all of this in here, the stems and the leaves. Okay. And I've got 2 cans of tomato sauce. These are 15-ounce tomato sauces. And we're going to get that into our blender. Okay, and we're going to put 1/2 teaspoon of salt to start with. And I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of lime juice in here. You can use lemon juice or lime juice, whichever you have on hand. And sometimes I use fresh limes or fresh lemon, but today I don't have any. So I am just using this lime juice. Okay, and then I like to buy the tamed jalapeños. And I don't really measure these. You can just do these to taste. And a little bit of the juice in there is good too. But some of the... Ooh, I think I'm making a mess. There we go. Clean up my jalapeno juice mess. Okay, and I do like to put diced green chilies in there, but I like to go ahead and blitz it in the blender and then put this in after I've blitzed it. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Okay, here we go. Okay. Yeah, that looks really good. All right, and we're just gonna give it a quick taste to see how it tastes. Ooh, that's perfect. It's really good. Okay, and now that we blitz that up, I'm gonna open our can of diced green chilies. Okay, and this is a 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. Okay, I've got a new spoon, so I'm going to give that a mix in there. Here's our delicious chips and salsa, and now we'll give it a taste. It looks so good. I hope y'all like this salsa as much as we do. We love it. We make this all the time. Ooh, that is so delicious. You guys are gonna love it. It's really good. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.